OBS Virtual Camera isn't working. Yeah, that can be really annoying when you're trying to use Zoom or other apps. The good news is most of the time, it's a quick fix. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to get your OBS Virtual Camera working again. So, let's dive in. First, make sure the virtual camera is actually started in OBS. I mean, it sounds simple, but this is the number one thing people miss. Look at the controls panel and click Start Virtual Camera. Next, open the app where you want to use the camera, like Zoom or your browser, and make sure OBS Virtual Camera is selected as the video source. Sometimes the app just stays on your webcam by default, you know. If the camera still doesn't appear, try running OBS as administrator. This can fix permission conflicts on Windows. Just close OBS, right-click the icon, and choose Run as Administrator. Another common issue is privacy settings blocking access. So open Windows privacy settings and make sure camera access is enabled for desktop apps. Without this, the virtual camera may not show up, okay? If it's still not working, the virtual camera driver might need reinstalling. In OBS, go to Tools and look for the virtual camera install or repair option. Running this again often fixes detection problems. Last quick fix. Restart your computer. I know it sounds basic, but it refreshes the virtual camera driver and solves a lot of stubborn issues. And that's it. One of these steps should get your OBS virtual camera working normally again. If this helped you out, consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching.